The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra brings several upgrades compared to last year's flagship, but one of its most interesting camera changes was never even mentioned during the launch event. At first glance, the camera system might look very similar to the one on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung kept many of the same camera sensors and mainly focused on improving the apertures. But after a teardown of the device, experts discovered something surprising about its zoom camera. The Galaxy S26 Ultra megapixel telephoto camera with FFX optical zoom, just like the previous generation. However, the lens system behind that camera is completely different this time. Instead of using the traditional periscope style lens that Samsung has used in previous Galaxy Ultra models, the company switched to a new technology called all-lens on prism, often shortened to ALoP. This new design changes how the telephoto camera works inside the phone. Normally, periscope lenses use mirrors and a sideways lens arrangement to create long zoom distances without making the phone too thick. That design is widely used in many flagship smartphones today. But with ALoP technology, the lens and prism arrangement works differently. Instead of stacking the lenses in the typical periscope layout, the design places all the lenses directly on top of the prism module. This allows the camera system to remain compact, while still delivering strong optical zoom. One easy way to notice the difference is by looking at the camera opening itself. On older Galaxy Ultra models that used periscope lenses, the telephoto camera usually had a rectangular opening. On the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the telephoto camera now has a circular opening, which reflects the new lens design. Samsung first introduced the idea of ALoP technology back in late 2024, when it demonstrated a 3x optical zoom version of the system. At the time, many people expected that Samsung would use it in the Galaxy S25 lineup. However, that didn't happen. Instead, Samsung continued developing the technology further and eventually created a 5x optical zoom version of the ALoP lens. That improved version is what finally appears in the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This change brings several benefits. One of the biggest advantages is size. The ALoP system allows the telephoto camera unit to be physically smaller than previous designs. That means it takes up less space inside the phone while still offering strong zoom capabilities. Another improvement comes in the way background blur appears in photos. When a camera captures a photo with background blur, also known as bokeh, light sources in the background often appear as small shapes. On older periscope lenses, these shapes sometimes looked rectangular due to the design of the lens system. With the new ALoP design on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, those light shapes appear more circular or oval, which looks more natural. This type of bokeh is closer to what you would expect from traditional DSLR cameras, giving portrait photos a more professional look. But as with many new technologies, there is also a trade-off. One downside of the new lens design is that the minimum focusing distance has increased. On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the telephoto camera could focus on subjects as close as 26 centimeters away. On the Galaxy S26 Ultra, that distance has increased to 52 centimeters. In simple terms, this means you now have to stand about twice as far away from your subject when using the telephoto camera for close-up shots. If you try to take a close photo from the same distance as before, the camera may struggle to focus properly. For some users, especially those who enjoy taking detailed close-up shots with the zoom camera, this might feel like a step backward. However, there are also advantages that balance this change. The telephoto camera on the Galaxy S26 Ultra now features a wider aperture, which allows more light to enter the lens. This improvement helps when recording videos or taking photos in low light conditions. Compared to the telephoto camera on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the new system should perform better when lighting is not ideal. Because this upgrade comes with both benefits and drawbacks, Samsung may have chosen not to highlight the change during its Samsung Galaxy Unpacked announcement. It's a subtle but important engineering decision rather than a flashy feature that's easy to explain in a short presentation. Overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra's new telephoto system represents a different approach to smartphone zoom cameras. By moving away from the traditional periscope design and introducing ALoP technology, Samsung is experimenting with new ways to improve image quality and camera size. Whether users prefer this new system will depend on how they use their cameras. But one thing is clear, even when the hardware looks similar on the outside, there can still be big changes happening inside the phone.